Hello everyone. Just back from a trip to the post office, and I have a ton of cars to have to process. If we walk over, you'll see that there's 118s coming in, there's Johnny Lightnings, there's Redlines, there's just collections and boxes of stuff for future video to be coming in. So wanted to start off this video with a little bit of a surprise from the concepts of what was in an auction lot that I won, and talk about these cars. So there was an auction lot that I paid $150 for that had, let me think, what did it have in it? It had these three cars in it. Mustang. I didn't know it had the olive Firebird and the blue. So I seen the blue Camaro and I seen the blue Mustang in the lot. So I knew what was there. So I went ahead and paid over for it because I figured I could take the cherry-picked cars out of it and sell all the rest back through the auction houses. So let's start off with this car, shall we? 1968 Hot Wheels. US car. Sorry, my hands are shaking a little bit here today, but it just is the way that it is with me. Nice clean base. Nice wheels. Nice spring in the steps. Black painted roof. Hood is in its hinges. Great car. This is 1968 Hot Wheels. Custom Camaro. This I didn't know was in the lot. Now I'll be able to get this wheel straightened out. Don't worry about that part. This is olive. Custom Firebird. Again, 1968. A really, really clean base. Very nice car. All of the hinges are there. Really nice interior. Great coloration to the chrome. Nice interior. US car. Custom Mustang. Again, 1968 Hot Wheels. I buy all of these I can, no matter what the condition is. This is without the painted tail. This is a US car. A little bit more of a toned down base. A little bit worse shape. Broken window there. Scratches across the top. White interior. The white interior is a little bit harder to find. Hood pins are fine. Closed hood. US car. Then I won a different lot that had this car in it. Custom Camaro, 1968, red. With the black painted top. US car. Missing its hood. $1970 Hot Wheels. Mercedes SL 280, I believe SL it is. Yeah, 280 SEL or 280 SL. This is a Hong Kong car. That's copper in color. Hood's nice. Normal to have this paint missing because that's where it meets the cowl when you open the hood. It's a nice all-around collector grade car. In that, with that car, there was also this car, Aqua. with its sticker, with the Moonvies sticker. Nice stickers on top. This is the 1970 heavy Chevy. Really nice wheels, nice base. Hong Kong car, 1969 heavy Chevy Camaro. Really nice car. Then let's go on. All of a sudden I've been able to find two of these in two different lots. One was in a lot that I paid $49 for. Not this one. This one's a little bit better condition. This is the Mustang Stocker. It is really tough to find them with the red and the blue. Normally they're red and purple. Red and purple is more common and far less expensive. The red and blue is exceptionally difficult to find. Lately I've been able to find two and win the auction for two, which is pretty rare for me on Mustang Stockers. Again, Hong Kong car. Just stunningly beautiful. Very hard to find a Mustang Stocker in any condition. This has got good colorization in the tampo. Nice car. Different lot, different Mustang Stocker. Sometimes they come up in twos, and it's just really rare to get Mustang Stockers to put into inventory. Good collector grade Mustang Stockers that are more affordable for everybody. These will be out on my Etsy page. Again, really nice base. Just a sharp all-around car. Mustang Stocker. Two of them. This was in a lot that I paid $100 for, and I specifically bought it just for this truck. This is, as you can see, the scooper. White enamel. It's exceptionally difficult to find. Probably the only one that I'll find in this lifetime. A little bit of a crack in the windshield there. Definitely a nice $100 truck. I bought this just for inventory. I'll probably end up selling it for very little profit. Very clean base, but all the other cars in the collection, we'll just go back through the auction house probably. And this was the reason I bought the lot. Nobody was paying attention to it, and found the white scooper with the scooper, all of it there. Very difficult to find that. And then the last hidden gem in here, again, there was another collection with this in it, and I was like, holy wow, I can buy one. And it's mint. This is Black Walls Hot Wheel. Ringling Brothers and Barnum & Bailey Baja Breaker. And it's from the Scene Machine. So if we take that and put it up to the light, you'll see that there's a lion or some kind of clown or something in there. This is from the Scene Machine series. It is mint. The paint, the tampo, everything is just stunning on it. And again, this was in a collection, and there's more cars in that collection as well too. This is the first one I've ever owned. This will go back out onto my Etsy channel as well too. And it is stunningly beautiful. Surprised to win that one. And very, very happy. So that's it for this particular video. Just a quick little 9-minute video. My Etsy channel is Windsor Diecast on Etsy. I currently have about 7 or 8 pages of cars. I have all of these red lines to process out there. I've got all of those cars to process out there. And then down in the basement in my other processing department with my associate, there's also processing. I've got a ton of these cars over to my right that I've showed you in this video to process as well too. Thanks for tuning in. You'll be seeing these cars out on my Etsy channel. If there is a car that you would like to know more about that I've showed you on this particular video, you can email me at bprice4567@gmail.com. bprice4567@gmail.com. Maybe we sell it off of Etsy. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll be doing more videos soon. Have a great day.